side Jasneet again from Threads and Grace. I hope everyone can guess that what I'm wearing. Natural pomegranate peeled hand block 3-piece सूट सेट्स है के अंदर मेरे पास जो डिज़ाइंस अवेलेबल है एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वेरी अफोर्डेबल. अगेन दिस इज़ कॉटन एंड वेरी वेरी ब्रीदेबल फैब्रिक फॉर दिस समर. बहुत सारी चीज़ें ध्यान में ये रखना है कि पहली बात तो once you get it stitched then please do wash this piece. Again I'm telling you ये bleed करेगा because these are natural dyed hand block pieces. This way it will go. You can utilize these blocks on your designing part. बहुत खूबसूरत है. Again this is on polka dots. This will be the bottom. का दुपट्टा है, दुपट्टा की जो borders है और आंचल पोर्शन है इस तरीके से ब्लॉक्स दिया हुआ है. And the whole दुपट्टा will go this polka dot. तो ये लीजिए आपका फर्स्ट सूट का ओवरव्यू. बहुत ही खूबसूरत कलर कॉम्बिनेशन एवरीथिंग. ये सारे जितने भी कलर्स आप देख रहे हैं वो सारे अर्दी कलर्स ही होंगे. will go. So this is the blocks and this will be the border. Again you can utilize this border on your designing part. Very very stunning. I was telling you, so these are the patches you can see here and this is the beauty of these pieces. So people who are well aware of these natural colors and how it gets dyed and all, those will buy. People who do not like this, definitely it's not for them. So please be careful before buying it because this will not be returned or exchanged just because of these things. Now look at this beautiful bottom. So bottom is again big polkas. This is the border. Okay, beautiful border and then it has this beautiful polka. So like this it will go. बहुत ही खूबसूरत. The actual nature made pieces from the fabric till the design part, so all are nature friendly and being made by nature. Blocks has been made by the human, so human are also made by the nature. It's like all three together. Salvage, so this salvage you can utilize in your designing part and this design will be throughout on your suit. Whereas the bottom is in stripe, border will go. So this is border as well as this archel. And now check this out. This way it will go like this. Last design and color. So can you see the impurities? So this impurities are called what is the marvelous design and the nature that we can't avoid. And this is the salvage, very beautiful salvage that you can utilize. Bottom is in big stripes. This is the bottom. Beautiful border, beautiful anchal and the beautiful polka dots. Beautiful color. This will be the proper look of it. Right? Amazing, amazing and amazing. I'm just loving these suits. And likewise I was telling you that some colors that you will see on my hands, and this way you have to be a little bit careful about the piece. You have to separately wash. This is not a dry clean piece, of course. This you can wash it at home, but yes, you have to separately wash it with a cold water and a little bit salt on the water. So to book the pieces, what you have to do is you have to just DM us on our WhatsApp number, that is 8527863545.